Hey, what are you doing? Yeah. Hey, what are you doing, guys? All right. Tubu, wait. Hey. Oh. Guys, wait. Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm in the top of the mountain. Wow, wow, wow. Hello guys, I'm in the top of the mountain right now. So guys, I just want to say what I'm doing here. Yes, I want to show something. This is the one. I'm building the cottage top of the mountain. You can see it's half builded. So you can see some construction, and also I'm doing some landscaping thing as well. So this is the beginning. It's just only couple of months I have started, and I really wanted to make some video, but today I'm going to start that one, so I couldn't do before. So halfway, it is halfway. So I have planted some trees as well. You can see some weeds are there, but I have to maintain it the proper way. So I will show my cottage, that half built one. So what do you think, guys? This one, do you think this is amazing? The location, you can see early in the morning, so you can see the morning sunshine and the beautiful mountain around. So, and this area I have cultivated some palm trees and some kind of landscaping. My buddies are there. Hey, you can see my buddies are there. The one, Timmy, Timmy, Timmy. Hey, how you doing? Timmy, how you doing? Oh, she's not considering. So I will call him. His name is Tupu. Tupu, how you doing, buddy? Hey, how you doing? All right. So I'm not alone. They're always with me. That's a nice thing. So this is first video about my cottage building and the construction. These things I want to show, really I want to show you. So this is my first video. I will introduce myself. I'm Lerinop from Sri Lanka, and alone. Actually I have my family support. We are making this cottage. So we don't hire carpenters, we don't hire somebody else. But as you see, when I'm climbing, you could see, right, this place is kind of hard to reach. This is top of the mountain. It's kind of hard to reach this place, but I got the challenge. I'm highly motivated and I got the challenge. I'm going to make it happen. So the first episode, I just wanted to introduce myself, and I just wanted to show around what I'm doing here. Yeah. And also, can I show something very nice and really interesting? Look at this one. I'm in the top of the rock. You can see down there. It's so beautiful. It's full of green, so you can find some peace environment, so no distraction around. So okay, I can show something about down there. That's our house. You can see that's where I'm living. So I'm building it here. There's no distraction, no people, no more houses, only green environment you can see. So I will bring some few videos in the future and about my construction things and my plans. You can suggest some plan for me. So basically I have done this one. This is 3-story. The first story, the downstairs, and 2 stair and 3rd stair. It's ongoing. You can see some progress is going on, and the beautiful environment you can see. The full today video I have introduced about myself, and I just wanted to say what I'm doing. I'm building a cottage at the top of the mountain. That's what I'm doing. So about my channel is about building cottage and village life and about the construction and all. So what do you think, guys? So you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel and you can be continue with me, and also you can comment and you can suggest something. You can like my videos and you can share it. That is much appreciated about your comment and your suggestion and everything. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.